Hi and welcome back Down the Shed with me, Jason. So in this video we've got one of these little holographic projector screen jobbies for your phone. I think my current phone might be too big, but I've got a crappy old phone waiting to jump into the wings. So we get an acrylic sheet which is used for reflection. We get this black one which we need to stick on the back of this middle piece, two end pieces and the front piece with the little support strut things, so they want to come out. This bit wants to come out like so. Get rid of that. Move that away for a minute. So there's that piece. So that's our front, that's our back. Our little side pieces. And our two, well, our supports rather, and our side pieces. So we have got glue with this. Some you do and some you don't. So basically the first thing we want to do is, and now I've lost it. There it is, upside down. Let's stick this black piece onto the back of here. It's going to be a pain in the arse to peel, because it always is. Oh, I hate these things. Why can't they just make a tab that's easy to peel? There we go, that got it. What we want to try and do is get that started, put it back into place while we get this roughly measured up where we want it. Try and get it centralised. About it's about as good as it's going to get. So now we can lift this end back up, get what we started peeled. There we go, so that's pretty much. Right, so that's the end piece that will go like this. So now, basically all we need to do is glue all these sides in, or both of these sides in. So we'll get some glue on them, and I've still got the old pot. what I'm going to do is just put a little smidgen of glue either side of the hole. Like so. Keep that stood up so it all rolls down. And then these can just sit in and make contact with the glue, like so. Right, next we'll get a couple of these on. Everywhere but where I wanted it. Right, that's one end. Get the next one in. Right, that's two of those in. Now the idea of this Perspex bit is it's supposed to sit in at a 45-degree angle. Just underneath those, like that, somehow. We'll get these other two sections on. Yeah, bugger. Goo everywhere. We'll get this one in. We'll get this end in. Now, all we have to do, we'll get that new pot of glue out, that's pretty much done. Is get this one on. Yeah, that's sealed, that's all it would be. There's another bloody plug in there. There we go. Now all we have to do is marry all of these up. Bearing in mind you've got to remember to get your little feet the same size as the other one. Right, that's that side almost. There we go. So that's all together now. We've got the Perspex sheet sitting inside there. I don't know, there you go, you can just about see it. Our dark screen. So now you should be able to sit either your phone on like that and get a holographic or a whatever. So I need to take the phone out of there. Let's see if there's anything on this phone. Gallery. See if there's anything left in the gallery. Oh crikey, there's loads. Right, so there's a little video of Nala here. Oh, it's touching the buttons on the top. Or it's touching the screen rather. But I don't know if that camera can see that. But you can see there's something going on in there.
Good boy. Good dog.
I need something in landscape. There we go. Turn the auto rotate on.
Yeah.
And then we have the Aston Martin Valkyrie. And then we have it in the that's what it looks like in the cinemas. So it's not really that holographic like it's supposed to be. But I think if you want it to go holographic, you're supposed to turn this way and put that on top. Now you can sort of see now it's looking through the Perspex reflection off. Let's try and get this camera down to a better level. Probably work better if I had something dark behind it.
I was going to say, he's going to turn around and come back down. Is he in there? Yeah.
So that's our little holographic cinema view box. So let's put it back the other way. So it's a bit crappy really. It does what it says. But I haven't got any decent 3D type images to dance around like holographic. Anyway, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. Share the video, comment.
Look at the tyres on it.
And I'll see you in the next one.